Mic test, take 26, let's go. According to my record, this is take 35. How do you do a freaking intro? Mic test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, I'll be narrating for this video. First time doing this. Exciting! I have some extra footage that I forgot to add on to the last video. I actually forgot to record when my uncle went up the coconut tree, and now I only have footage of him going down. Here my dad's opening one of the coconuts. Drinking fresh coconut water from a fresh coconut is one of the best experiences you can ever have. To be honest, it's always an experience that I look forward to whenever we go visit Dad's family in Southern Leyte. It's that good. The plan for the day was to go but pluck some water spinach or kangkong in Tagalog, and actually explore the farmlands near where my grandfather lives. And we spent the whole day walking around, so there will be a lot of walking. We crossed the river because we're about to go explore farther. How do you English? The water was actually very high. It was surprising. I wasn't expecting that water to be high. My cousin wearing yellow in front of me is actually really tall, so it was high. So basically our tour guide is my dad and my uncle. As you can see, the rice fields, there's a ton of rice fields. And we walked across this little stream that's so clean. And the water is actually really cold, which is really nice. It's so clear. And just listen to that sound.
Ganda siya,
And we found kamias. According to Google, it's called cucumber tree. It's actually it's a fruit that's really sour. go farther into the woods. I don't know where we're going, but yeah, we're just basically getting a tour. So harvesting season for the rice is already over. That's why some of the rice fields there's nothing in them because they're just being cleaned, and soon they will start planting. The thing that my dad is holding looks like a bamboo shoot, but it's not a bamboo shoot. I'm not sure what it is. I asked him what it was, but he forgot. Apparently it's actually edible. So we actually washed it by the river and we tried the seeds. It's the seeds that you eat, and they taste like passion fruit. They reminded me so much of passion fruit. They were tart, they were sour. A lot of wild cacao trees. And we actually tried ripe, fresh cacao. We ate the seeds, not ate, but then we tried the seeds and it's so good. It doesn't taste like chocolate, obviously. It tastes just like any fruit. Yeah, walking through the rice fields again.
Wait, gotta do a 360. There you go.
We ended the day trip by the river. All of us decided to have a little swim to refresh for a bit because we were all sweaty from all that walking. And it was hot because it was in the middle of the day we finished. And the weather was nice, it wasn't too hot, there were still clouds, so hope you enjoyed. See you in the next episode.